I'm in the kitchen right now. We're doing a catering meal for a client of mine. You're about to see what's in the kitchen. Let's take a view and let's go right now.
And we are cutting up the onions to put into the callaloo. All the vegetables are being prepared first, so it makes it easy when cooking. Garlic. Already cut up some, and I'll show you how easy it is just to cut garlic. You crush it with the back of a knife, and it just pops right out. You all know how much we love color. And now you see the red pepper, the hot pepper actually. And it's going to add so much flavor to this pot. Once we cover it and let it begin to just cook, it will begin to get soft, and then all of the flavor begins to ooze out. And when you open the cover, it's like, oh, heaven.
All right, so we got the sugar nice and brown. Look at nice and caramel color. Then you're gonna take the chicken. You're gonna just stew it up a little bit, okay? And then I got another bag of chicken over here. Get it all nice and brown. Then we're gonna get some chopped up onion, some chopped up garlic.
Like to place an order, let us know in the comments down below. And for more menu options, you can check us out on Instagram at Olive Flavor Pot. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video.